Hello, hi, my name is Miss Brenda Falconer. I'm from London. It's been really good. The training's been brilliant. The training's been excellent. The information, the support is second to none. Information to progress you and to help you to run your own business, definitely. What Joe was able to do for me is to, with just one phone call, to seal a vacancy for me, which was a good start for my business, and also to help me to build a team of people to help me and for me to help others in the business, in my business. If you're looking to run an agency, a recruitment agency, this is the place to be. This is the where you need to come to help. For the future, I would like to grow my business more internationally, and as well as my business here at home in London as well. If you're looking to run your business, then this is the place to be. Thank you.